Hi everyone, it's Sam, and today I have a new video for you guys, and as you can tell by the title, it is a new makeup haul. So the first product I had gotten was a Lancome Juicy Tube in the color Lychee. These were the first ever lip glosses to come in a squeezy tube, and a good dupe for the Lancome Juicy Tubes would be the Victoria's Secret satin glosses that I had done a video on recently that look about exactly the same, and it comes in a plastic packaging cap like this, and this is the applicator. It's the same exact thing with the Victoria's Secret beauty brushes. I'll just give you guys a comparison. I'm going to first swatch the Lancome Juicy Tube on my hand right here, and this is how it squeezes out, and there we go. This is the swatch. And it smells like sweet berries. I also had the Marshmallow Electro, and also just like the Victoria's Secret glosses, the scent correlates to the name. This kind of smells like lychee berries. It's very, very glittery, but I love the color. It's really pretty. I am now going to be swatching this Lancome Juicy Tube onto my lips. It's really comfortable and moisturizing. Juicy Tubes are more stickier, which means they last a little bit longer. I definitely recommend both of these glosses. Juicy Tubes are also great as a really nice, elegant lip gloss. The second product my mom had got me was the Chanel La Ombre Foreshadow Quadra palette, and this is in the color 246 Tissé Smoky. It just comes with 4 eyeshadows, so I'm gonna open the box. But of course, Chanel, it's a very sleek black packaging, very elegant, classic, timeless. Like every high-end product, they come with its own little dust pouch. This is the product. This is the Chanel logo. It says La Four Ombre Tissé Smoky, and it shows different shadings. And here is the beautiful eyeshadows. Let me remove the cover. It comes with 2 mini eyeshadow brushes. These are the 4 colors that it comes with, and I'm gonna give you guys the highlighting shade first, which is this color right here. So I'm just gonna use my 4th finger for that, and this is what it looks like. Highlight it right here, and it comes off quite sheer. The second color, which is the B shade, which is a really light gray color, really pretty. It's a very metallic silver color. I'll be putting that right here. And this is the 3rd shade. It's a more intense silver color. As you can tell, it's much darker. And then the last is just a true black smoky eye. But all of them come with glitter, except for this one. This one's like completely matte, which is really nice because I need a really nice black matte eyeshadow to rock. And the darker ones are super pigmented. However, the white ones you can use as a very highlight color, like on the inner corners of your eyes or on your brow bone. Those are the 4 shades in the Chanel Quad Powder. And if you guys want a tutorial for this look, please give a comment down below. The last product I got was from Target, and this is the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom Mascara. And the reason that drew me into buying this product, because the commercial that Katy Perry had done on TV, her lashes looked very voluminous. This is kind of the effect that you want to go through. I got the color 800 Very Black. In the back it just says instructions, so I'm about to open it and we'll see how it is. Alright. It's a really pretty, vibrant, hot pink color, and it says CoverGirl right there, and it's decorated in all flowers, which I think gives a really nice finishing touch. To focus more on the brush of the application, it has a very easy application where you can just hold the wand. The brush is a very spiky pink brush with a lot of little hairs sticking out to give your lashes more separation. And I'm just gonna dip the wand in a few times and we'll see how this goes. I just dipped it once and it's already coated. And I'm just gonna mix the mascara a few times to give it a more even texture. Okay, so now you can tell the wand is completely coated. I'm going to first curl my lashes so you guys can see a better, more in-depth view, because it's kind of hard to see with my eyes. Now I'm going to first put on one coat of mascara. We're gonna let it dry. It is doing a really good job on not clumping my lids. No, I've never said this on any mascara, but it's a very natural eye makeup. And I'll do the bottom lashes as well. This is a dry formula. They don't look spidery at all. There is a huge difference between my left eye and the right eye, which has mascara. And it's about 2 coats of mascara in. And so I'm gonna let that dry. Wow, this is doing an amazing job at separating. It's very natural. If you want to go for a no makeup kind of look, I definitely recommend this mascara because it's so thin. I'm gonna go in with my second time. Alright, I'm gonna now go on to the second eye and give it a 3rd coat. Make sure there's no clumps. Then I'm gonna curl it once more again. Okay, and then give one last 3rd coat to this eye. And there we go. It's a very nice, separated, very full-length mascara. Gives a very, very nice full lash effect. That is basically all the products that I received today. If you guys have any requests, like if you want to see me do a smoky eye look or something that has to do with a mascara or lip gloss, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Peace, love you.
Right, motherfucker, yeah.